6:30. We better. All right, everyone. So before we do our textbook, let's go over sound and sound words one more time to make it easy for us to do our textbook. So here is a PowerPoint that I made to help us. Who can remember before we start? Can anyone remember anything about sound? How do we make sound? What direction does sound travel? How many sorts of sound are there? 1 or 5 or 2? And what is a loud sound, like a baby crying, that we don't like? What's that word called? Okay, let's find out then. I'll put this down so we can see. So, try and say the words after me, okay? Sound comes from vibrating objects. So what's vibrating? It's like this water. It's going up and down really fast. And it's when like a mosquito's wings, they go up and down really fast and they make the buzz. Or when our telephone rings and it's on the table, it vibrates sometimes and we see it bouncing around up and down. It's vibrating. Sound comes from vibrating objects. So we're going to have to remember this word. It's going to be one of our mind map words. Next, there are how many? 2. There are 2 sources of sound. The 2 sources are natural. Try and say natural. Everyone try and say natural. Good morning.
Good morning. I'm fine, thank you.
So we have 2 sources of sound, natural, and the other one is artificial. Artificial. Artificial.
Official.
Pretty good. Artificial.
Official.
Okay. So animals like a dog make natural sound, and
Natural.
machines or things that are man-made make artificial sound. So there are 2 sources. Natural and artificial. Now, natural sounds come from people. That's us. We're people. So can we see these people are singing karaoke, I think, and they're making natural sound with their voices. Got a rooster. Is a rooster man-made or an animal? Roosters are farm animals, aren't they? Farm animals. So a rooster makes natural sound. And the last sort of sound that is natural sound is nature. Nature. Makes sense, doesn't it? Look, N-A-T-U-R-E. It's almost the same as N-A-T-U-R, nature. Instead of E, it's A-L, nature. Nature makes natural sounds. And nature is like the sea or the ocean, the wind, when it blows the trees, or the rain, and the lightning or thunder that comes when we hear or when we have the rain. So natural sounds come from people, us, animals, dogs or roosters or cows, elephants, all the animals, and nature, like the sea, the wind, and the rain. So that's natural sounds. Natural sounds. The other sounds, artificial. Everyone say artificial. Try and say artificial. Artificial sound is man. People like us, we made a machine like a car or a plane or drums. They make artificial sound. So if it's man-made, artificial. Pretty good. Okay. Sound travels in. What's this word? A-L-L. A-all. All. Sound travels in all directions. It can travel down, it can travel right or left or forward or backward. It's like a it travels like a small ball just getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Like when we blow up a balloon. That's how sound travels. All directions. Going. When we think of sound, it travels in all directions. Here's one. They can tell me this word. Most of P110 knows this word. Noise. Noise. Loud sounds that we don't like are called noise. Like fireworks that are too loud. Bang, bang, bang. Or a baby brother or a baby sister or a friend with a baby. Sometimes they get angry, don't they? And then they go, all that noise. We don't like it. It's called noise. So these are the words that we learnt. Oh, the last one I put in is vocal cords. We're going to write these down, but we'll write them at the end. I want to do the work, the textbook first. Our textbook, get your page 88 ready. The last one I need to show you was our vocal cord. Our vocal cord, that is inside our throat. That's what lets us talk. Vocal cord. All right. Hey, number 8. 8. Now down here, 88. You see that? All right. Let's go through the words and then fill in the blanks. The first word is air. Air. That's what we breathe. We breathe in and blow out air. Next word up top is artificial. Artificial. That's man-made sound, isn't it? Our next word is noise. Noise. Bang, 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 bang. Unpleasant sound we don't like. It's noise. The last word on the top is vibration. Vibration. That's where sound. And the last 3 words we've got are natural sound from people, animals, and nature. This one, all sound all directions. And the last one is vocal cord. Vocal cord. Us. So, number 1. Sound is produced by the
เด็กๆค่ะหน้า88ลูก88นะคะให้ค่ะ
sound is
แล้วก็ปิดไมค์ด้วยนะ
by the vibrations of objects. So let's write that in.
นั่นไงมันลง
Number 2. Owl, that means you or me, you or I, or a person, vibrates when we talk and sing. So that was what I said. That's what helps us to talk, our vocal cord. Let's write that in. Our vocal cord. Number 3. When we blow with our mouth, can you hear that?
เรียนตะกี้
We
ชื่ออะไร
blow.
เรียนเขาดู
What comes out of our mouth when we blow?
ไม่ได้
Air. When we blow, air comes out.
ก็ถามสิ
When we blow a trumpet, a column of air in it vibrates and gives out the sound. So number 3 is air. A-I-R. Write it in.
ต้องเรียนไม่ได้นะเรียนสอบไม่ได้
มันไม่มีจอบเนี่ย
อยากเรียน
Number 4. Waves at the beach. There, that's nature.
คือแล้ว
And the crowing of a rooster. A rooster is an animal. So what sort of sound do they make? They make natural, natural, N-A-T
เอา
R-A
กดตัว
L, natural sources of sound. So if they're the natural sources, that means that firecrackers and cars,
โอ้ย
the
ปวดหัว
artificial.
ดัง
Let's write that in.
ข้อที่สองก่อน
And we've got 2 to go, and we've only got 2 words left that we haven't done. The 2 words are noise and all.
ๆที่เจ้าก้าเป็นไม่ดัน
เอาต่อมาข้อที่สาม นี่ นี่เอาเนี่ย
Baby cries, or we have big fireworks loud in our ear. That's
ตัวอา
not nice.
ตั
No,
วอา
don't
ตัว
like
แล้
it.
ว
And it's, is it
Oh,
all
yeah.
is an unpleasant sound or noise?
เอ
R A
Noise.
R
ที
T I H
เฮส
ปิดไมค์ก่อนนะคะ เด็กๆ เสียงมันแทรกนะลูกนะ ปิดไมค์นะคะ โอเคค่ะ thank you
Noise is the unpleasant sound. Think of, I always think of a baby crying really long on an airplane. That's noise. Or big fireworks or big machines that are so loud. That's noise. Which means the last word is an easy one to write. Sound travels in A-L-L. All directions. Bang, done. So that's going to be the end of our noise, our sound. We're going to do sky next week. But before we do it, if you've got your science notebooks or a piece of paper, and get out your notebooks, and you can make me a nice list. Do them in colours if you like, the same as I did. I don't mind. Might be more fun. You don't have to do them with normal pencil. But let's write down these sound words in our notebooks.
ของใครของ
We
ของคุณขวนเข้าไม่ได้เข้าเลย
sound
เทคนิคเมื่อไหร่
we use here with our
ครูคะปิด
แล้ว
ไม
มัน
ค์ก่อน
ถูกไม่เทคนิค
ใครยังไม่ปิดไมค์เสียงมันแทรกนะลูก ปิดนะคะ
sound comes from vibration.
CORD
We have 2 sorts of sound, natural or artificial. Natural is people, animals, and nature. Artificial is
นับลูก
man-made,
จะไม่ทัน
like cars, drums, motorbikes.
A T O N T U R A
L.
L
บอกย่าเด้อ
A R T
T I
I
F,
F
I
I
C
C
A
I
L
E L
ต่อไป
A, L. Really good.
A
L
L L
D
D
I
I
E
E
D, I,
Oh,
R,
R
C,
R
E C
E C
อย่าไปสิลูก E C ชั่น T I O N เอ็กขึ้นไปอีก
Okay, that's good.
ต่อจากนี้มีไหมนี่
And our last two words is
N
noise.
O I
E
S E
V O
O
C
C,
A
A,
L
L,
C
C
ต่อไป
R,
R
D,
อะไรอีก
S.
O
And
D
you
S
just use,
Sai.
you use your vocal cord to say vocal cord. That's our vocal cord is how we can talk.
หมดหรือยังลูกหมดยัง
It's our body part that lets us talk.
อย่าเพิ่งอันนี้สิ
That's where our voice
Bye-bye.
comes from, down here. This is where we talk, and this is where it comes out. So, guys, I'll let you look at that if you want. Otherwise, if you look on page 89, most of those words are there as well. You can copy them from page 89 if you like.
Yes
And if you do colours, that's great, but you don't have to.
เขียนชื่อ
เขียนชื่อ
ไม่ต้องไป
So, how many sorts of noise are there? Do we remember that? I'll give you a hint. You see my pointer there? How many sorts of noise are there? 2. Natural and artificial. When we talk, we use our vocal cords.
ใส่ไหนเขียนใส่ไหน
Noise is sound we don't like. It's a terrible sound.
เล่นเลย
And sound comes from vibration. How are we going, everyone? Have we all got our words down, or do we need to have a look at the
อย่ากดอย่าเล่น
textbook again? Everyone's quiet writing. That's good. I can't hear a sound. Okay, we can copy those from page 89 or watch the video later. So next time we're going to do the sky. One last question. Who, for an extra point, who can tell me what sound is this? Natural or artificial?
Ocean wave.
Natural or artificial?
Ocean wave.
Oh, ocean waves. They are natural. We all make natural sounds, don't we? Okay, guys, I gotta stop the video. It's about to die. It's about to run out. But thumbs up. Thanks for doing science. Next time we're gonna do a math Zoom. And if you watch the video today, we did sequences like counting 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Book was turned upside down.
Bye bye.
Okay, guys. See you later.
Bye bye.
Bye, everyone. Thanks for coming. Live long and prosper.